Welcome to Dazzling Handmade. I got some good news. Look at this box. Do you know what this says? Giveaways. These are all for giveaways. I was finally able to go get some of my stuff in California, and I had to bring this box because I need to get rid of these fast. There's no more room in my new craft room, and I really need to get rid of these as soon as possible. So as of now, we are resuming giveaways. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to tell you the rules, how to enter. It's super easy and it's completely free to you. However, because I have so many duplicates, I am also putting some for sale on my other Etsy store. Put links down below, and that's just like a little option for you to get some of my duplicates. They're brand new in case you have not won any of the giveaways yet. But if you have won previous giveaways, feel free to enter. And let's get to it. All right, let's get to it. So this is how it goes, in case you have forgot. I'm gonna show you what is in the giveaway, and sometime during the video I'm gonna ask you one simple question. All you have to do is answer in the comments down below, and the YouTube random picker will select the winner on this date, and then I'll give you instruction what to do next. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That's it, super easy. So first we have this little cute cottage house. I think if you can make it with like darker color, then it can kind of look like a Halloween house, but it kind of reminds me of a fantasy fairy house, and it's one big stamp. It's a ton of details. A little cute strawberry cutting die. I need to get my nails done, I know. And then a tag. This has 2 tags, dies. I'm actually really excited to start doing these giveaways again, because I still have a ton of unopened craft packages, mail, and once I open them I have to look through what is duplicates, and all that goes in these videos. Yeah, there's a lot. Mushrooms. I think I have at least 3 of the stamps. Yeah. Cute. And these are just like different forest trees. Mushrooms are pretty big. Another die. It says love. I really like it because it also has a little bit of design for the letters, not just plain letters with no filling and detail on the inside. And then this one is kind of like a fall themed, very cute little animals. I actually have a lot of these animals doing different kind of stuff. Not really sure who's the designer for it, but he or she definitely makes these images as stock pictures. Okay, my question is, what's your favorite fall dessert? That's it. All you have to do is answer in the comments down below. And then the last one for this giveaway is these. It's free stuff. I mean, why not enter? Right? And that was it for this video. Now I'm gonna go get my nails done, but I just really wanted to get this quickly out there. And let's start playing. Good luck, and I hope you win.